Here is a day in the life of a WHAM employee. Very professional day, might I say. Here I am walking into the office building. Bear with me, I take a little bit of time to get to the stairs, but I'm sure I'll get there in the end. There we go. So up the stairs, into timeout room. So then I'll put my lunch in the fridge. Keep it nice and fresh. Do you know what I mean? Nice and fresh when I have it at lunch. Go on, girl, put it in there. Lovely. Then I have a nice nutritional breakfast. As you can see, a nice Red Bull. Gets me going, keeps going throughout the day. Into the office, don't play games around here. Straight to it, straight to the grind. Say hello to Bear. Look at him. Cutie. Go and sit down at my desk. God, what a mess. Open up my laptop. Probably check my emails at this point. Anything on Teams as well. Send an email to my manager. We'll ignore that bit. Check what's on the agenda for the day. Probably some callbacks, some pre-calls. Get those meetings in the diary. And then, here I am, just setting up. I'm making a sales call. You know where to come if you want one. Drop me your number in the comments. And then I have a lunch. I didn't eat the one that I put in the fridge, as per usual. Here I am, having a nice break, straight after lunch. And then I make a coffee, because it makes me feel very profesh and like a mature woman, which both of those things I am not. And here I am, send a nice heartfelt message to the team. Make sure they're having a fab day. I'm sure they all are. Now I'm livid because someone told me they didn't want a sales call. Are you okay? Shut off for the day, grab my bag, head out the door. And then I like to say goodbye in a nice way to all the guys at work. See you later, losers. Get me out. And then head to go and get my fancy ride home, the bus. See you later. See you for another.